more than 25,000 professional visitors and more than 1,000 companies have packed into the Georgia World Congress Center. And that means just one thing. IWF 2016 has taken over Atlanta. Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Bottom for IWF TV, powered by Sherwin-Williams. Welcome to one of the top woodworking trade shows in the world, where professionals can discover the trends that are shaping this industry.
I think it's a very good platform for connecting the buyer and the manufacturers for the woodworking.
This is what people travel in from all over the world to see. The exhibit hall is so big, it spans 2 buildings. So if you're looking for the latest in woodworking, this is your one-stop shop. Over the 531,000 square foot space, you'll find machines and materials for furniture manufacturing, architectural woodwork, and custom and general woodworking. It's all about providing the tools needed to run your best business, and a big part of that is efficiency. That's something Sherwin-Williams knows a thing or two about.
What we're hearing from customers is they want the finishing process to be as efficient as possible, and they want to get the look they want, that Class A beautiful finish. They want to get that the first time, every time. You know, Sherwin-Williams has always been known as the market leader for conversion varnishes and for lacquers, but we've also taken an industry-leading position with UV coatings. So we've got our very latest next generation UV coatings on display here today, as well as our new universal primer, our Sherwood Universal Primer. It's great for pigmented finishes, dries real fast, and you can put any coating over it, which is why we call it universal.
Coming up, we'll tell you about the new educational opportunities at this year's show. We'll be right back.
The FastenLink connector system offers 3 primary benefits to the manufacturing industry. Benefit 1 is the completely concealed fastener. No more exposed screws or cams to attempt to hide. 2 is the ease of manufacturing. Benefit 3 is the most important feature. Our industry partners that have switched their fastening platforms to FastenLink are stating a 40 to 50% time savings in assembly alone. If you want to learn more, go to fastenlink.com.
The Akoya wood itself is regular wood, but we're changing the hydroxyl units, which are the chemistry in the wood that's absorbing water.
That's the beauty about this product, is because it gives them a substrate that's easy to work with, virtually has no warp, cracking, splitting, checking. So your coatings are going to last much longer on something like this.
If you want wood and you want exterior durability with that wood, this is a great choice for all of those options.
Welcome back to IWF TV, powered by Sherwin-Williams. A full day of education kicked things off at IWF with 8 symposia categories. All new this year was the Wood Composite Symposium.
We're talking about in the morning symposia about new alternative adhesive technologies that are bio-based to move away from more fossil-based adhesives and formaldehyde-based adhesives. And the second half of this symposium will be on cross-laminated timbers and mass structure buildings. Composite materials in general are ubiquitous in everything that's done with machines and capabilities in manufacturing of everything made of wood.
So that's been one of the things that we've been discussing, as to what are some of the bio-based solutions for adhesive systems, so there's no problem with adhesives. And the next thing is there's a big movement towards using wood for mid-rise to really tall buildings.
This symposium taught attendees that finishing is about more than just applying the finish. Just as important is sanding and the quality of the incoming materials. as well as establishing a process to measure the quality of your product.
One thing I find interesting is the use of solvent-borne materials versus the use of waterborne materials. I'll use that in a way to better be in tune with the end users, and me in my position from a raw materials supplier standpoint, it helps me connect with that end use.
Some valuable information at the Closet Symposium. Independent owners make up approximately 60 to 70% of the entire closet making business. There are a host of questions independent owners need to consider, including cost versus benefits of manufacturing your own material, when to outsource, and the advantages of keeping control of your schedule.
If you want to be completely in control, for better or for worse, then you need to be a manufacturer. By manufacturing, it allows you to do things that maybe as a franchise or a dealership you can't do.
There will be much more education at IWF over the coming days. To learn more about specific sessions and topics that will be covered in the Technology Theater, visit IWFAtlanta.com for scheduling information. We know there's a lot of ground to cover on the exhibit hall floor, so we're going to help you out. We're going to be streaming live using GoPros strapped to 2 woodworking professionals. Let's hear from one of them who sent us this video.
Hey there, I'm Ethan, owner and head designer of the New York-based furniture company Ethan Abramson. I'm going to be at IWF this year, checking out some new booths and some old favorites. So come take a walk with me, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Be sure to follow Ethan by visiting IWF's Facebook page. For IWF TV, powered by Sherwin-Williams, I'm Kimberly Bottom. Thanks for watching.
Wood is enjoying a well-deserved renaissance as a building material. But only as from today, using hardwood as a construction material has it become economically feasible. Beechwood, first peeled and then stacked again layer by layer, hence a new processing technology with an extraordinary material and energy efficiency. A brand new high-tech material is created from a sustainable natural resource. It's called Baubuche. The rigidity of Baubuche is one of its remarkable attributes. As a result, Baubuche allows much more freedom in designs and slender structures, with significant material savings in timber construction. The precise veneer layering and its pleasant premium surface make Baubuche the ideal material for visible construction elements, furniture design, and interior finishes. Baubuche is synonymous for sustainability, innovation, aesthetics, and economic viability.
Power up your cabinet-making advantage with KCD software. Powerful, easy-to-use mobile touchscreen software for designers and builders of custom cabinetry and closets. KCD Software's custom, ready-to-use design options give you a faster, easier design and production process for commercial and residential projects. Create from an extensive selection of virtual material with KCD Software and customize your designs to exceed your clients' expectations. Kitchens, baths, closets, and much more. Fast, easy, and ready for production with KCD Software. KCD's Agile Shop Manufacturing gives you a better workflow. Go straight from your custom design to a CNC machine, cut traditionally, or process your order through the Cabinage box system. Built-in, lean manufacturing options ready to go. Find out what KCD Software can do for you. Visit us at booth 1507.